Good day, traders. This is Poppyjoe FS, your mentor and coach. Welcome to another lecture of the Poppyjoe Trading Academy's beginner course. In this lecture, I'll be talking about the reality of Forex trading. The content of this lecture will be looking at the general beliefs traders have about trading. I'll be exposing the truths and also some do's and don'ts you need to know before going and starting your trading journey. Now, general beliefs. A lot of traders believe that there are some things that are being held to be true about the market, which is not. Now, first belief is that a lot of people believe that it is only the elites, only the cabals, people that are in high place that have money that can trade forex, which is not true. Because as a retail trader that we can all participate of the financial market foreign exchange now with a little capital by going through our brokerage firm. So the market now, we have been provided with a brokerage firm that can serve as an intermediary between us and the foreign exchange markets. So normally, as an individual, if you don't have enough funds, before now, before the advent of technology, you will not be able to partake of the foreign exchange market. But with the technology and everything coming up now, we can now participate on foreign exchange market even from our phone. We can now participate from the comfort of your home on your smartphone. Other beliefs is that a lot of people believe that there are systems or holy grails to forex trading that will ensure no loss, which is not true. There is no holy grail, there is no fast, there is no shortcut to trading success. If you're a trader and if you hear that someone is telling that you will not make losses, that is not true. The foreign exchange is built in a way that no matter how good, no matter how intellectual you are, because it doesn't even work based on your intellect. You understand? So there are things that needs to be put in place. There are things you need to know before you can have your trading success in the foreign exchange market. So there are no fast ways, there are no shortcuts to success. You need to work for it. Other things that there are general beliefs that people believe about the forex market is that a new trader can start making millions of money, which is not true. Now, one thing that is very important is that your capital determines the amount of money you could make and the amount you could make from the foreign exchange market. So, with that being said, now, if you are having the notion that you can make millions of money from the forex market just by gaining little knowledge or just by learning how to trade and then just trading, then you are wrong. Even with the knowledge, there are still need for you to perfect your psychology and also other things that are needed to be put in check. That's all on general beliefs. Now let's expose the truth about forex. Now, forex trading has limitless opportunities and you can make tons of money. But without proper knowledge and without proper mentorship, you could as well blow your account and also go back to ground zero. Now, the general truth about forex trading is that forex trading being the greatest and the biggest financial market in the world, you need to build sound and very good risk management culture that you need to imbibe, because without that, you will eventually find out that forex can be very, very frustrating. Now, people believe that even our banks, do you know that banks trade forex? Our commercial banks in Nigeria, other big banks as well, hedge funds, they also trade forex. So that means the banks that we also put our money, UBA, Access Bank, and the likes of them, they also use our money to trade and they make returns on this money. Even the Central Bank of Nigeria also participates in the foreign exchange markets. So why can't we both participate in the foreign exchange market? There are other things that needs to be said about the foreign exchange market, which are the truths about the market. Do you know that the foreign exchange market was built for, and one thing again about the foreign exchange market, the way it was built is that as long as there is going to be need for exchange, the foreign exchange market can never crash. If you have this old economy about people believing that the foreign exchange market can crash, it is not possible. As long as there is need for a foreign country to exchange currencies, there's always going to be forex. So let's go straight to the next. Now, the do's and don'ts of forex. Now, for a new and an aspiring trader, there are some certain rules that you need to stick to. So without these rules, there are just few that I'll be mentioning here. These rules are going to contribute to your trading success. Trust me. So let's just go straight to them. Now, dudes, learn how to trade before opening a live account. Now, this thing is very important. Before you can start opening a live account, you must learn before you earn. The next thing, demonstrate until you are consistent with your results. That means, as a new trader, if you are not consistent, do not go for a live account. You need to practice. That's why there are demo accounts that you can practice with until you build that consistency and you are satisfied with your rate, with your pace of success. Now, next thing is have a trading plan and stick to it. For every trader, it is very important you have a trading plan. If you don't plan if you don't plan, I think you might fail. Yeah, you might definitely fail if you don't plan. So there's need for a very good trading plan, and you need to stick to your plan. Another thing is be open to interactions and discussions on trading. Yes, on trading, you need to be open to interactions. There are needs for discussion groups. That's why you'll be joining our mentorship group where you meet other traders, where you can share things and also interact. One other thing is that you should also take this very important. As much as you discuss and you also interact with other traders, there's something that you need to take in, you have to take caution of. It is not allowing other people's opinion to affect your own. If you have a bias on something and someone shares his or her own opinion, because you feel this person is better than you now change your own bias based on that. It is not a good culture. Learn to own up to your thing, to your bias, and also to your belief about the market. You can always get opinion from people, but let that not affect or make you change what you believe in. It can only influence you in a way by making you better, but then let it start making it feel like you are going to be banking on other people's opinion. Yeah. Other thing is be disciplined and have strict risk management rules. That is very important. Risk management rules can never be underrated in Forex. Now, the don'ts of Forex: do not demonstrate for too long, go into real action. That's if you should trade on a demo account for too long, you might not actually get to feel what real trading means. So, do not demonstrate for too long. Another thing is never compare your progress with others. Now, comparison is a thief of joy. So do not compare your progress. If you are learning at a consistent pace, then continue with that. But because someone is doing it better than you, doesn't mean you should now start stressing yourself and trying to keep up with another person. Do you understand? So do it at your pace. Now, do not have a get rich quick mindset. It kills a trader. As much as forex trading has opportunities, do not go with the market with a get rich quick mindset. It's going to kill you. Now, the don't never enter a trade without a stop loss. That is important. Take this and keep this everywhere. Never have. So, finally, do not trade without a plan. That's your edge in the market. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture.